In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a navbar. So the navbar is very simple and it is going to look like this. In the left side we have our logo and on the right side we have our nav items. So how we are going to do this? Let me show you. First we are going to take a container. This is our navbar. In the container, in the left side we are going to take one container and in the right side we are going to take another container. So this is the parent, and in the parent we are going to have two child containers. And when we use display flex, then you'll see how we can easily make a navbar. So let's begin. So we have our two files, index.html and style.css, and I have already taken the logo. So let me take the boilerplate first, and we are going to link the CSS, right? I always forget that. Then we are going to change the title, and the title is going to be the Daily Prophet. And now we are going to check h1 check, and we are going to open it in a live server. Okay, we have our live server. Now we are going to take a navbar tag, and navbar God. The hell? Okay, now it's happening. I don't know what happened there. So we have taken the navbar and we are going to give it a class name navbar, navbar, and this is going to be our parent, and in this parent we are going to take two child. One is going to be logo and the other one is going to be nav items. Okay, logo. In this logo we're going to take the image first. We're going to take our logo. Let's see, we have our logo, and then we are going to take, let's say, 5 anchor tags. First one is going to be home, second one is going to be services, third one is going to be pricing, fourth one is going to be about us, last one is going to be contact us. Let me just format this thing so it looks good. Okay, let's see how it looks. Well, it looks kinda nice. So now we are going to style these things. We are going to give margin 0, padding 0. Okay, and then we are going to take this parent navbar and we are going to give it display flex. Okay, when I use display flex, you see the navbar went to the top. They are now staying side by side. So we want them one here and one in the right side. So for doing that, we are going to give justify content and we are going to use space between. See, now we have our logo on the left side and the nav items on the right side, and we are going to put these things in the middle of the container. See, they are not in the middle, it is on top, it is top, so we want them both to be in the middle. So we are going to use align items center. Now you can see we have them in the middle. Now we are going to color this thing. Let's give it a background color. Background color, what background color? Yellow green. Okay. No. Okay, we can somewhat see them. Now let's size this logo. Let's see, logo, let's give it a width. We are going to use it for checking. Give it a width of 50 pixel. Okay, it is too small. And give it a height of 50 pixel. Okay, 50 is too small, so we are going to increase it 100. It is 100. Let's give it. Okay, let's give it a height of, no, we are going to give height and width. If I decrease it, decrease it. Let's use height and width of 110 pixel. So we are going to take the class logo, use image, then you use width 110 pixel and give it a height of 110 pixel. Okay, let me increase it to 130. 50. Why isn't it changing? Hundred thirty, and we want it to be round, so we are going to give border radius of 50%. Okay, now it looks kind of nice. Now we are going to fix this, our nav items. We are going to take nav items A, and then we don't want any underline, so we are going to use text decoration none. Nice. We can't see these words properly, so we are going to use nav items color is going to be white. Okay, so these are just hugging each other, so we want some padding between these things. Padding is going to be 0 pixel top and bottom, and let's see 20 pixel left and right. Okay, now it looks kind of nice. I don't want like this color, so okay. Now we have them, one in the left side and one in the right side, and they are almost touching the screen, so touching the edge. So we want them to be here and here. We are going to give margin. Let's check the margin here. We are going to give them margin left. Margin left, let's just give it 20 pixel. Okay, let's increase it. Let's keep it 100. How does it look? Okay, so we are going to give it a margin left of 100 pixel and margin right. Let's see. Oh no, I selected the wrong one. I want this. I want nav items. Nav items, margin right, we are going to give it like 50 pixel. Okay, 50 pixel looks nice, so we're going to give margin right of 50 pixel. Let's see how it looks all together. Here you go. So this way you can easily make a simple navbar.